Now, I, Mr. LaSalle, a Los Angeles International Chess Champion, also slated in the national news to challenge the international chess grandmaster Bobby Fischer, had the fortitude and insight to develop a spiritual constituency over the last 30 years that now represents 150 million set-aside votes for America Let's Talk Success Destination 2020 White House. These 14 religious communities have been operating like a subterranean river that's ready to explode just like a volcano. You might say, well, who are they? Well, chief among which, but not limited to, the communities of the Word of God, the Illuminati, ufology, psychokinesis, Scientology, I Ching, Allah, Yogananda, the Dalai Lama, the Kabbalah, the Baha'u'llah, the Eckankar, the Rosicrucians, and the Bhagavad Gita, just to name a few. And we approve of this message.